After the longest flight ever, we finally arrive at our hotel. So ready to rest, shower, and enjoy this place. Hey guys! Today is December 23, 2025 and we just arrived here at New York City around 2 o'clock p.m. Took us about mga 1 hour bago kami dumating sa hotel. And so after arrival, natulog muna kami to make sure na ma-replenish yung energy namin since sobrang haba ng biyahe. So now, time check, it's currently 10 o'clock p.m. and we decided to go for a walk going to Times Square because according sa Google Maps, around 1.5 kilometers away lang siya from where we are staying. So, samahan niyo kami! Ayan, malapit na tayo sa Times Square, guys. Parang liliko na lang tayo dito sa part na to. Today is December 24, 2025 and it's officially our day 2 here in New York City. So, kagabi, nag-explore na kami sa may Times Square and at the same time, nalakad na rin namin yung Rockefeller Center. So, for today's itinerary, pupunta naman tayo sa Bryant Park. So, samahan niyo kami. Wait lang, naninigas-nigas ako kasi super lamig. Times Square, nag-photoshoot na rin kami and dinaanan namin sa ulit kasi gusto namin siyang makita ng morning view din. So, now, pupunta na tayo sa may Bryant Winter Park Village. Let's go! Explore sa Bryant Park Winter Village. Time check, it's currently 11 o'clock a.m. and our next stop is going to be the Riverside Park. So, samahan niyo kami! Hey guys! Time check, it's currently 11:40 a.m. and dumating na tayo dito sa Riverside Park. Pansin nyo, nagsuot na ako ng bonnet kasi habang naglalakad kami dito, parang naninigas na yung kamay ko sa super lamig. And this is how it looks like. Okay, pupunta tayo dun sa may river part. Super lamig as in!
Day we push away.
Kararating lang namin dito sa Central Park. Since magandang weather, we decided na explore na lang namin yung park for the second half of the day because yesterday medyo maulan. So for now, take advantage na natin na sobrang ganda ng araw. And samahan niyo kami sa pag-tour.
The aroma of coffee fills the air.
morning, guys. Today is December 25, 2025. Merry Christmas to all of you. Today is officially our day 3 here in New York City. So for today's edition, nice and slow lang yung activity na gagawin natin. We are heading to the Grand Central Terminal. Sasakay tayo doon ng train going to the Whitehall Station. And sa Whitehall Station, na natin sasakyan yung free Staten Ferry nila. Which will take us around and makikita natin yung different views ng Statue of Liberty. So, samahan niyo kami! Going to the Grand Central Terminal. Diyan tayo sasakay ng train going to the Whitehall Station. This is going inside the Grand Central Terminal. Papunta tayo sa may Staten Island Ferry. Pulo yung sipot ko. While pinifilm to. Super lamig. Tignan mo, kulubot na siya. Nice. We are here, you guys! Excited na tayo! And in all fairness marami ditong restaurant and convenience stores. So, prior the ride or after the ride, pwede kayong kumain dito and all. Time check, it's really 1 p.m. you guys. And maglalakad tayo ngayon dito sa Brooklyn Bridge. Good morning, guys. Today is December 26, 2025. Current temperature is -5 degrees Celsius. And as mapapansin nyo sa boses ko, no, medyo sinisipon na ako kasi yung feeling talaga is para kang nasa loob ng cold storage. As a karne ka today. Karne ka. Ganun. So, time check, it's currently 7 o'clock a.m. And we are walking here sa may 5th Avenue going to the plaza. So for those of you na napanood yung Home Alone, alam nyo na yan. Samahan niyo kami! Hey guys, time check, it's currently 8:20 a.m. and nag-stop over kami dito sa Preta Major. Tapat ng Central Park, dito na kami nag-breakfast and also nagpapainit kami ng konti kasi nga sobrang lamig sa labas. Ang sarap na ng ganito ko. Tumutuloy yung sipon ko na lang habang nagsasalita. Anyway, yan, madami ditong selections ng mga pastries, sandwiches, drinks, coffee, everything that you need. Nandito naman siya. And ang tinry namin ngayon is yung turkey sandwich na hindi ko naman malasahan kung nasan doon yung turkey. So, there, dahil lang tayo ng konti dito because ang next natin na itinerary is pupunta tayo sa may ano ba to? Yung cruise na binili natin sa Klook for to roam around near the Statue of Liberty. Hey guys, time check, it's 9:58 a.m. And we are currently on our way to Pier 36. Nandun yung area kung saan tayo sasakay ng boat. Because nag-purchase tayo ng Klook. 60 minutes na cruise around the Statue of Liberty and near the Ellis Island. So ngayon, after namin kumain or mag-breakfast sa Pret a Manger, pumunta na rin kami sa may Rockefeller area para ma-picturean namin siya ng umaga. And at the same time, nilakad na rin natin yung Fifth Avenue. So there! Hey guys, time check 11:20 a.m. Dito na tayo sa boat. And in 5 minutes alis na tayo. So this cruise will tour us around the Ellis Island and near the Statue of Liberty. So 60 minutes siya. So dito naman sa loob ng ship, merong available kayo na parang bar or mini restaurant. Order lang kami ng hot chocolate since sobrang lamig and para meron kaming beverage habang nag-cruise tayo. Mga 60 minutes dito, so samahan na kami.
Construction of the Brooklyn Bridge is kind of surrounded by tragedy. So the man who designed it, a German engineer, an immigrant named John
Sunshine on the deck, yeah. Feeling pure delight.
Good morning guys, today is December 27, 2025. And look, super snowing outside of New York City. You know, as in nag-snowfall talaga. Yan ang itsura ng New York for today's edition. Puno ng snow. Naglalakad lang kami around the building to experience yung snow edition. So, let's see kung saan tayo dadalhin ng ating mga for today. Wow, look at that!
Sleigh bells are ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland.
Ito yung current snow condition ngayon sa New York City. Today is December 27, 2025. As mentioned sa inyo kanina, naglakad kami around the hotel namin. May mga pocket parks kaming nakita. So, doon na lang kami nag-photo. We actually planned to go to Central Park, pero mukhang di kakayanin ng katawang lupa namin because super lamig. I don't know what the temperature is right now, but enough siya para manigas ka na lang dun sa daan. Ganong level. Kaya na bahala. Ana. Lalakad tayo pabalik sa hotel. Well, happy heart ako kasi look ko talagang nalalaglag-laglag pa yung mga snow. And punong-puno talaga yung daan. So far. Oh my gosh! Good morning guys! Time check, it's currently 1 p.m. Lumipat kami ng hotel from Hilton going here sa Hotel de Villa sa Long Island City. And ang next itinerary natin, as you can see, no, super snow pa rin tayo since kagabi. Ang first itinerary natin is we're going to Roosevelt Island, which is walking distance lang from our hotel. Wow! guys, it's currently 2 p.m. already. Nakapag-explore na kami sa may Manhattan Park and at the same time sa may Roosevelt Island. So right now, punta kami dun sa market na nadaanan namin bago kami bumalik sa hotel. We'll see kung meron tayong mabibiling food doon kasi kailangan muna nating mag-defrost. Otherwise, baka mapunit na yung ilong ko sa sobrang lamig outside. Good morning guys! Today is December 28, 2025 and since nandito na tayo, nakalipat na tayo sa Long Island City. As you can see, marami pa ring snow around the area. So we decided na for today, balik kami ng Central Park since nakikita namin na ang gaganda ng photos all over the feed. So we want to check it out really quick. And then after that, baka pumunta na kami din sa original itinerary, which is the Greenwich Village, as well as the Washington Park, and kung ano pa yung kayanin ng katawan namin. Because as you can see, the temperature is freezer-like. Ooh, pwede tayo mag-Wendy's mamaya. Or kung ano man. Oh, may Wingstop!
Taco Bell.
Check, it's currently 9 o'clock a.m. Mga 1 hour siguro tayo nag-explore ng Central Park. And ngayon, naglalakad na tayo going sa nearest station because our next itinerary would be Greenwich Village. Guys, we are back here at Pret a Manger. Nagde-defrost lang kami after the Central Park escapade because super lamig sa labas talaga. Hey guys, time check, it's 9:43 a.m. and we just arrived here at Washington Square and look at that. Winter Wonderland. Sobrang ganda and super lamig din. But of course, ganda. Nagpuno ng yellow. Yay! We are here at Washington Park. Square pala.
Washington Square.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find out.
Super lamig. Yung mukha ko parang namamanhid na. Like pati yung ilong ko di ko na maramdaman. Look at that. Guys, time check. It's almost 10:30 a.m. and tapos na tayo mag-explore sa Washington Park. We are now on our way to the Greenwich Village. Super lamig talaga. Hey guys! Again, it's almost 10:30 and naglalakad kami going to Greenwich Village. Sobrang ganda nung nilakaran namin. Parang feeling ko nanonood ako ng American movie. Ganyan yung mga setup dun sa mga pinapanood ko. So, let's see ano yung itsura ng Greenwich Village. Nagutom na tayo. So, maraming restaurants dito sa may Greenwich Village. And we decided to have pizza muna. This is going to be our review. Time check, guys. It's currently 11:30 a.m. And kakatapos lang natin mag-lunch dun sa may Bleeker's Pizza near the Greenwich Village. Now we are on our way to Soho. Walking distance lang din siya from Greenwich Village. So, let's go. Walking to Soho. Let's see. Next stop, guys, is the vessel. Let's go. Time check, it's currently 1 o'clock p.m. guys, and nandito tayo sa may the vessel. Within the area, meron siyang pocket garden na punong-puno ng Christmas trees. So, nagre-rest muna kami dito at the same time, nag-photoshooting tayo since sobrang ganda ng area. Look at this. Nice! Guys, ayan yung the vessel sa likod ko. May nakita tayong mall sa tapat. This is 20 Hudson Yards. Pasok muna tayo since super lamig. Mag-defrost muna tayo. Ah. Today is December 3, 2025. It's a Tuesday here, and our first itinerary is going here sa my Union Square. Time check, it's currently 8:30 a.m. so wala pong masyadong tao. And temperature is currently at -9 degrees Celsius. Guys, time check. It's currently 11 o'clock a.m. Nag-photoshoot lang kami dito sa may Flatiron Building. If napanood nyo na yung John Wick, alam nyo na yan. Yan yung kanilang Intercontinental na head office. Just across that building is the Madison Square Park. So, explore na rin namin siya. Makikita nyo sa likod, and yan pa yung mga natirang snow from the past few days na snowstorm. And then dito pa yung Christmas tree. So after this, guys, we will go to Little Island. Mga 26 minutes away lang siya here. Time check, guys. It's 9 o'clock a.m. and we are here at Chelsea Market. Apparently, wala pong mga stores na open. Dumaan lang kami to actually see the place and to defrost bago tayo dumiretso sa Little Island. Oh, look at the dog. We are now here at Little Island, you guys. Super nice. So, this area is the amphitheater. Unfortunately, this area is temporarily closed. Pero yung view niya nakikita nyo, that is New Jersey. Hey guys, time check. It's currently 9:20 a.m. and we have been exploring Little Island for almost 20 minutes now. Dumaan kami dun sa area ng amphitheater. And then, we're trying to go up dun sa topmost area nila to check ano yung itsura ng view from above. So, samahan niyo kami.
We got memories in the making, every moment's ours for the taking. With love and laughter, hearts unfurling, our small town simple world.
Just walked past the Harry Potter store and oh my gosh, it was like stepping into a wizard's world. The shelves are packed with all sorts of magical goodies, from wands to scarves and even those adorable little creatures. I could honestly spend hours just exploring everything. If you're a Potterhead, this place is an absolute dream. All the fans out there, dito tayo sa my apartment. There. Hey guys, time check, it's currently 12:40 in the afternoon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Lotte New York Palace. And meron siyang mini Christmas village dito sa harap niya. So, i-explore na rin namin siya. And of course, nag-picture tayo dito sa my Christmas tree. So we're back at Bryant Park. Last time we were here, we were way too full to try the Kokwa cabin. So today, mission accomplished, and I can't wait to dig in some chocolatey goodness. And we're wrapping up the day with something truly iconic. Watching the Rockets at Radio City. The energy, the precision, the holiday magic, it's everything you imagine and more. It's a perfect way to end your day in New York. Good morning guys! Time check, it's currently 1 o'clock p.m. Today is December 31, 2025. And kanina nag-clear na dyan sa Pilipinas. So nakitalo na lang ako virtually kanina sa hotel room. Right now, nandito kami sa may Gantry State Park here in Long Island City. We are enjoying this view of Manhattan. And medyo malamig pa rin kahit na nakikita nyo ang init ng araw. Super lamig ng hangin and yung weather ngayon is mababa pa rin. Wala na tayong snow for today's edition but still parang natunaw na yellow yung feeling. Kanina nga, may nadaanan kami na church and nakapag-mass na rin kami. Halos natapos namin yung mass. So, thankfully, it's a good way to start the year, right? Because technically, yung body clock namin, January 1 na talaga. So there, we're gonna spend a few more minutes here and then we're gonna take a walk back to the hotel. Today, we spent our last full day in Central Park, and honestly, it's still our favorite spot in New York. There's something about the trees, the paths, and just being surrounded by so much life. It makes you stop and appreciate the moment. I feel so grateful for this trip, for the chance to explore places I've only ever seen in movies, and for all the memories we get to carry with us. It's a reminder to dream big, to travel, and to really savor every experience along the way.